I got asked this question a few minutes ago, and that is, can I stack a bunch of Google accounts in one Google Chrome window? And the answer is yes. You just click on Add New Account, and you just keep adding new accounts, however many you want to add. I have tested 7. I haven't tested more than that. And when it asks you want to switch to a profile, if you have that, you hit Cancel, because what you're trying to do is stack them all in one Google Chrome window. And then, you can open up whatever you want to open up for each of the Google accounts. But you need to make sure you leave them in the order that you open them. And so that because they're numbered in a very deliberate way, you'll see when you create a new account, the number code on there. And if you try to open or you move let's say you have Google Contacts open for a account, and you move that Google Contacts over, it can be chaotic, and that's why Google created profiles. But you can see I went through this process and I opened up 7 different Google accounts. And I opened up Gmail, and I opened up either Drive or Contacts, one and another, and so that I could stack them all together, which is exactly what I did right now. And you'll see, again, let me go through this pretty quickly here and finish opening these up, and then I'll come back and share with you my thought about how you should be opening up multiple Google accounts in one Chrome instance. Hang on a second. So now I have 7 individual Google accounts open, and you can see they're all numbered between 0, and they're open number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, and they are all in one window. But again, if you move around and you rearrange these in any way, and you also got to keep track of which tab you're looking at in this one window. It is far easier and more efficient to manage profiles than it is to manage tabs. So go to this YouTube video on how to use Google Profiles, and I promise you it will be far more efficient and much easier to use than stacking a bunch of Google accounts in one Google Chrome window. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope this is helpful for you.